Hello everyone and welcome to part 5, I think. Now, we left things right here. Now, before going forward, I want to add a new thing inside our object candy, and it's our destruction. So if this object gets destructed, I want to add, where is it? Destroy. So if it gets destroyed, we want to say with object candy. Okay. We can say stable equals false. Actually, there is a better way to do this, but whatever. Okay. Now we come here and try to destroy our objects. So first we will set an alarm, and it would be alarm 0. And in alarm 0 we will just say instance destroy. Okay. Good. And here in let's do something like this. To make things distinguish things from each other. So here I want to destroy these 5 candies. So I want to say first alarm 0 equals, let's not say anything. Let's come in the create event and add a new variable and call it delay. And let's set delay to 3. Okay. And come here and say delay. Then we want to okay, so we have the top wing and the bottom wing. So we say t1 object dot alarm 0 equals delay. Okay. Then t2 object, sorry, this is object dot alarm 0 equals delay. And I will just copy this, paste it here. Then we choose the bottom alarms, and that's it. We copy all this. We set it here. We change this to right and left. So this is for the match 5. Now we have the match 4. So we have top 1, top 2, then we just have bottom 1. And then we have the left one. So we say left 1, left 2, then right 1. And that's it. Then we have this here, and it's the bottom 1, bottom 2, and top 1. Then we have this, which is the right 1, right 2, and left 1. Great. Now we have these single wings, so we say only these guys. So only the tops. So let me just copy this. And here we have the left. And here we have the, no, it's the bottom. Then here we have the rights. Fantastic. Now we can have the no match back here. Okay. So what we want to do is here, once we swipe, we want to say script find match. And let's see if things are working. Okay, so if I swipe this with this one, nothing happens. And you might be asking, why? Well, because we are just checking the top wing and bottom wing, and we are not checking if we are in the middle. Okay, so if we come back to our script find match and add these new check statements. Okay, now these are the last ones, the last two. Okay, so we say if left 1 and right 1, then we have the middle match, and it's the left 1 and the R1. Okay, then we just copy this, paste it here, and say if the top one and bottom one, and here's the top and here's the bottom. Okay, fantastic. Let's just run the game. Okay, so now if I swap these two, you see, everything is working just as intended. And if I swap, see, these three are not doing anything, although they should. So how to check this first time? Because you know, the very first time, we're not checking for anything. But if you're falling before being stable, we want to check for this. So if we come here and say, if you're not falling, then stable is true and script find match. So you see, now everything is working as intended, and if I swap these two, they work. If I swap these two, they're working. You see, everything is working just fantastically. Now you see, if I swap these four, you see, all the four of them just got destructed. So it means that our project is working perfectly. Well, I think this is enough for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.